In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the regional format in Smartsheet. To get started, sign in to your Smartsheet account as you normally would. Once you're inside the platform, give yourself a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded. This is helpful because account and profile options can sometimes take a second to appear, especially if you're switching between pages or using a slower connection. Next, open your account settings or personal settings. Depending on the version of Smartsheet you're using, this area may be found under your profile icon, your account menu, or a settings section. The goal here is to find the place where your personal preferences are managed. If you do not see the exact wording right away, look for anything related to profile, preferences, or account details. After that, look for language, locale, or regional preferences. These settings control how information is displayed in your workspace, including things like regional formatting. In many cases, this is where you can adjust how dates, times, and other location-based formats appear. Take your time and read through the available options carefully so you select the setting that matches your needs. Once you find the correct section, choose the region or locale you want if that option is available. Be sure to select the one that reflects the format you actually want to use, since this can affect how dates and other regional details are shown across Smartsheet. This is especially important if you collaborate with people in different countries or if your current format is causing confusion. After selecting the correct region or locale, update any related settings such as the date format or time zone. These options often work together, so it is a good idea to review them at the same time. For example, even if your locale is correct, an outdated time zone or date style can still make your account feel inconsistent. When everything looks right, save your changes. Do not skip this part because your updates will not apply unless they are confirmed. Finally, refresh Smartsheet and check that the regional format has been updated. Once the page reloads, review a few dates or time-based fields to confirm the changes are showing correctly. If the format does not update right away, refresh once more or reopen the app or browser tab. And that's it. You've successfully updated your regional format in Smartsheet.